Did you know over 88% of internet users watch videos daily in 2022? In this never-ending pandemic era, every business needs to switch to a digital media for marketing, and thus the need to create professional videos with engaging voiceover, which skyrockets without a doubt. This has forced more than 86% of businesses to use videos as a marketing tool. So using videos in marketing campaigns for any business is not an option anymore. It's a compulsion today. And here are some more eye-opening facts. 52% improvement in engagement, sales, and ROI using videos are reported by the top marketers. 46%. This is an increase in voice-over projects on freelance portals in the last 2 years. And to 50% increase in jobs for video creation since 2021, and 200% that is boost in email CTR and traffic if using videos. So when it comes to doing a business, videos are the present and the future. In easy words, every business needs videos today, and that opens a door to a huge $200 billion opportunity. But here is a big question. Even after the fact that videos are the need of the hour and the current pandemic has forced businesses to go digital, which has created a huge demand for videos and voiceovers, it is surprising to see that not many people are jumping in to tap the $200 billion industry to provide services and bridge this huge demand and supply gap. And most of the small businesses are still not able to use video marketing to ensure their business growth. And you may ask why? Because here is a big problem. Creating voiceovers and videos is an expensive, time consuming and complicated task and takes a lot of effort. So if you want to create videos for your own business or looking forward to start a video agency, you have the following options. So option 1 is either do it yourself. It's time consuming and frustrating. You need to work countless hours and weeks for recording voiceovers and editing the videos. You also need to purchase expensive equipment and software which can leave your bank account dry. So there's need for video creation that will cost 150 to 500 per month while you're using this measure. There is also need for audio recording software to record voiceover. For that, you need to pay up to $300 monthly, and in addition you also need to have a hardware setup like a nice camera, microphone, etc., which can cost a whopping $3,000 to $5,000. Then the other issue is coming in front of camera and recording voice is very painful. You need to be on camera, which is another major blocker if you are camera shy or an introvert. You need to learn complex audio and video editing skills. Then option 2 is to hire a freelancer or agency. That's an easy way but can cost you thousands. You can get the video and voiceover created by a freelancer or an agency, but it will cost you between $100 to $500 per video or voiceover. And if you hire an expert who can handle all these tasks, it will cost you from $2,000 to $4,000 per project. Problems like this force 85% of entrepreneurs to compromise with their business growth and stop newbies from starting their own profitable agency. It's a bummer, right? But not anymore. As Vocalic decided to fix the problem after years of learning, planning, coding, and debugging, and after real user testing with hundreds of real users. So Vocalic is excited to release the solution which will make creating and selling videos easier and faster than ever. They are presenting Vocalic, which is a breakthrough technology that converts any text into human sounding voiceover and profitable videos hands free. No camera, no speaking a single word, no tech hassles ever. So this Vocalic enables you to create any type of video. You create stunning whiteboard, YouTube shorts, sales, product training, affiliate review videos, etc. You convert any text to speech. So you are able to create unlimited voiceovers and podcast in 150 voice 30 languages. That is, it's newbie friendly and easy to use. No camera, no speaking, no tech hassle, and no prior experience is needed. Then Vocalic has no limits. Use for yourself or clients. Also with Vocalic, there are no worries about paying monthly. During this launch special deal, you are going to get all the benefits at limited low one-time fee. And the other item is 50 other amazing features that come with Vocalic. So Vocalic has left no stone unturned to give you an unmatched experience. So it has never been easier to create professional videos with voiceovers for any business, but with Vocalic it is easy and fast. Now you can replace your old school costly method of hiring freelancers with an amazing AI based technology, that is Vocalic, that helps anyone create highly professional videos and voiceovers, YouTube shorts and podcasts. So you're going to create stunning videos and voiceovers for you or your clients in just 3 easy steps. To get access to Vocalic, click the links in the description and they are going to give you bonuses, so that once you go to buy Vocalic, you'll get discounts so that you can buy Vocalic at a very discounted product. So check out the links in the description and be sure to go ahead and take a look at Vocalic so that you can get an easy way to create videos, to create voiceovers, to create YouTube shorts and everything that is required to run your business or your agency. So check out Vocalic, link in the description. Here we're going to show you how to create stunning videos and voiceovers for you or your clients in just 3 easy steps. So the first thing, you need to get Vocalic. The links are in the description below. You're going to get amazing offers. You get the access to the Vocalic dashboard as soon as you log in, and here you can choose whether you want a video, voiceover, podcast or YouTube shorts. So it's yours to choose right there. Then the next thing you need to is create. So you just copy paste your text script to convert it into real human like voiceovers and stunning videos in 30 languages instantly, or simply use a keyword and let Vocalic find beautiful images to use in your video. In Vocalic you can add text, images, watermark and background music to your videos and easily modulate the tone, pitch and speed of your voiceover. No camera, no speaking a single word or tech hassles. It's very super easy. Then the next step, you need to publish, sell and profit. Now let your profit pulling videos work for you in passive income over and over again. So you're able to drive more engagement, leads and sales. You're able to sell videos and voice services for big bucks to business owners in 100 niches. So you can sell this on Upwork or on TopTar or on Fiverr. With a click, directly publish videos to your YouTube channel and drive a ton of traffic for absolutely free, or make passive affiliate commissions with product review videos, and the possibilities are endless. So now you can sell high in demand services, help local clients and start earning passive income. With Vocalic you can make unlimited HD videos and human sounding voiceovers. No camera, no recording and no costly equipment are required. No technical skills or prior knowledge is required, and no need to hire any expert or pay freelancers. So get the free commercial license included for a limited time. So you're going to use the coupon code Vocalic for an extra 10% discount. So get instant access to Vocalic by clicking the links in the description so that you can get this limited time discount. Check out the links in the description and go ahead and start using Vocalic.